Matayos to Argel Saicon. Muscling his way.
Muscling his way in is Argel Saicon. It is a 9-0 run para dito sa Shooting Stars.
Tapos sabi ni Argel, Mix, relax lang.
Relax lang.
I got this.
Comfortable lead dito para sa Shooting Stars. Now si Chris, wala.
Good tap. Donnie to Diego. Pass it to Argel. Oh, good fake. Tama nga yung sinabi niyang, I got this.
Fast break opportunity para dito
for
sa
three.
Shooting Stars.
Not good. They're trying to walk. Oh, foul. Yeah, that's a foul.
That's a foul. That's a foul by Patrick. Hindi naman niya sinadya.
Hindi naman sinadya.
Just stop the play.
Yeah, stop the play lang talaga.
Timeout.
Actually, good foul yung mga ganon, Mix, diba? When it comes to basketball, kailangan kapag may run yung kalaban, kailangan ma-stop din natin yung momentum.
Na full stop nga ang momentum dahil timeout po dito. Lamang ang Shooting Stars 15-6.
Here on the 2-3 zone. 1, 2, 3. You guys on the bottom. You and you on top on defense, okay? No, good job. Just keep the energy, huh? Keep the energy. Hey, JB. Line up, huh? Guide them. No, you're right. You're on top. You and you on top. Okay? No travel.
Balik bola po tayo dito sa Star Magic All-Star Games. Mix Bustos, Richie Rivero on the panel today to call our main event. Once again, it is Star Magic Shooting Stars versus Team Unbelievable. Medyo kakaibang mukha lang po ng konti. Dahil po ngayon, Donnie Pangalinan is leading his team. While of course, Gerald Anderson, as we can see, Ronnie Alonte.
Yeah, last year's MVP.
Yes,
Mix.
last year's MVP. And of course, Gerald Anderson po ngayon, ibang mukha dahil siya po ang head coach ngayon ng Shooting Stars. Emilio Daez is in.
Yes, ito na fresh from bahay ni Kuya.
Oo, palitao po dito. Fresh 5.
Young JV.
For Shooting Stars, Labayan. To Daez. Ang ganda naman, acrobatic play. Una pa lang no? High energy.
Alam mong
May laro.
Meron. Siyempre dito rin sa Unbelievable, may mga bagong faces like Matayos, the singer, Chris to Patrick. Ooh.
That's a good three. Good pass. Chris to Patrick for 3. Finally, kumbaga, nasira po ang droughts. Finally gets one in.
Sila sa...
Physical play. High energy talaga si Emilio.
Yeah.
Pagkita mo yung bola, talagang dadrive na kagad. Kita po natin dito sa replay. Chris to Patrick for 3. Breaks the slump.
Medyo matagal sila dun sa 6
Napako sila dun sa 6. After an 11-0 run, the point, Emilio Daez gets his first basket of the game. Emilio, 1 out of 2. This gets a rebound. Tapos si Mike. Sa corner, muli for 3. Kobe Brown running the break to Young JV. Off the bench this time around. To Labayan. Tristan Ramirez.
Maganda yun. Basic. Yan nga yung sinasabi nilang basic basketball. Piso-piso.
First basket. Unang hawak. Unang basket para kay Tristan Ramirez. 18-9 ngayon.
Matayos.
Sa bola.
Ayan, makikita mo. Grabe na yung pressure nitong second group ng Shooting Stars Mix. Young JV here. Good steal. Pero babalik yung bola sa Shooting Stars.
Smaller lineup pero mabibilis
And very physical itong lineup na to, Migs.
Substitution po, Carding. Papalitan si Nelson. Kita po natin to. Kay Tristan Ramirez.
Medyo malamig ata si Nelson. Mix.
Napantayan na eh. Alam na siya yung gagawa eh.
Parang maganda yung scouting report ng offensive foul kay Young JV.
Offensive foul on number 2, JV.
Yes. Hindi siya nakita eh. No?
On the Star Magic Shooting Stars. Shot clock at 14 seconds.
Nine the points. 2-3 zone dito ang Shooting Stars. Mike Pinigay. Balik sa kanya. Wow, reaching foul.
I think that's a bad foul. 3.7 na lang yung natitira kanina sa shot clock. Pero hindi pa naman sila penalty.
Nabasa mo yung utak ko doon. Yun ang pampalubag. Hindi pa sila penalty.
Shot clock at 14 seconds.
14 seconds. 14 on the 24. Mike directing the play. Sa corner.
Koskeng? Is that Koskeng?
Koskeng sa corner. Ball will stay. 6.8 seconds left in the shot clock.
6.8 seconds
Dito
on
sa
the shot clock.
unbelievable.
Maganda. Grabe yung defense itong grupo ngayon na Shooting Stars.
Gonna take a shot. Chris for 3. Too strong. Rebound by Tristan. Young JV, last year's MVP. But directing the point, calling a play. 2-3 zone din dito, unbelievable. Kobe Brown for 3.
Oh, good rebound. That's an open shot for Emilio.
Daez. Loose ball foul. Bola ng unbelievable.
Foul on number 0,
Ball
Rocky
ng
Lambayan. That's his second foul.
Goal. Ball. Yan. Coach Gerald Anderson. Nakakahinga-hinga pa ng konti. His team is up by 9. 18-9 dito. Lamang ang Shooting Stars.
Yes, we have a minute left sa first quarter. Koskeng.
Seconds left.
Nope.
76
Young JV
rather.
now running. Pass to Kobe.
Kobe Brown with a basket.
Yes, sir.
So kanina ba, di ba, tumatakbo sila Richie from the fast breaks.
Yes, and yung ginagawa kanina ng Unbelievables at yung ginawa nila nung nakaraang taon, ginagawa sa kanila ngayon. Even the pressure, ayan, no? Makikita natin. And again, we go back to hindi pa naman sila penalty.
Foul on number 7, Kobe
It's the last foul to give.
Substitution for
Para maging
Kong's
penalty dito ang Shooting Stars. As we
basketball.
can see this, fast break opportunity. Muli from great defense, Young JV to Kobe Brown for the basket.
Yes, and si number 24, Burst, is in.
Mike, siya po ng point guard ngayon.
Koskeng to Mike.
Ito dito.
Maganda nga yung pasok niya, coach.
Burst a burst for 3.
Yeah.
Kobe-like. Ito. 22.
That's a foul. Yun nata ang gagawin niya, kaya siya pumasok, coach. Mix, pero nagka-bonus ng 3 points.
Oo. You know, unang tira, pasok agad. Pero unang depensa, fall agad.
Si Burong.
Oo.
Yeah, si Burong, si Burst.
Oo.
2 free throws for Emilio Daez.
Emilio Daez. Emilio Daez.
Yes, he needs to really make those shots.
First
As
basket.
you can see, first basket.
Si Emilio parang siya yung ano, no? Pag off the bench, yung spark plug agad.
Oo, Mix. Ganun yung nakita ko sa kanya. Kita mo po pressure na agad.
Yung mataas yung energy. Maraming ginagawa.
Yes, and very physical. That kid is very physical ever since he was a kid.
So nadala nga niya. Part of his
Good
game.
defense.
Good defense here by
Labayen.
Labayen, by
Shot
Rocky
clock
Labayen.
at 4.3 seconds.
5 seconds left in the first. Koskeng, gotta take a shot. Corner.
Matayos.
Matayos!
Sakto.
With the buzzer beater. That basket counts.
Yeah.
And the
Maganda
foul.
nung extra. Oh, and the foul.
And the foul. As we can see this.
That's his third foul.
Yun nga, umabot sa buzzer. That shot goes in and an extra free throw. So good signs dito para sa Unbelievable. They change it up a bit with a 3 by Burong. Ito nga si Matayos with a
Official
3-point
time
play
remaining in the first
opportunity.
quarter, 1 second.
To cut this lead down. A 0.1 po ang natitira dito sa first quarter.
Oh, and I think, Migs, kailangan yata bumalik muna ng mga players bago ibigay itong bola.
Kasi technically, hindi pa naman tapos.
Oo.
Hindi pa tapos ang first quarter. Meron pa pong 0.1 na natitira.
Yes, which I think hindi na siya possible for another shot. Tama ba, Migs?
Kung pakatip in.
First free throw for Mateos.
Oh, check that. 1 second left. Mateos. Pwede sana. Pero yun po, after 10 minutes of play, it has been Shooting Stars. All first quarter long. They lead